Welcome back to VargasReef. Today we're taking you inside one of the best reef aquariums in the world. This incredible 10-foot masterpiece is owned by Alex Sestini, owner of Seabox, one of the best reef shops in Italy. But that's not all. We're also exploring why Italians are amongst the best reef hobbyists on the planet. We'll dive into their passion, their cutting-edge reefing technology, and their stunning reef tanks that set them apart. So if you're passionate about reef tanks, reef keeping, SPS corals, and reefing technology, this is a video you don't want to miss. Right after this. You have to love reefing. So, what makes Italy one of the strongest reefing communities in the world? I'll give you 4 great examples. Let's break it down, shall we? Number 1. Italy has a massive and deeply passionate reefing community, whether it's a beginner hobbyist, professional aquarist, or saltwater aquarium shop owners. Italy takes their reef tanks to the next level, from small home aquariums to large-scale display tanks. The attention to detail and commitment to reef health is unmatched. Number 2, Italians innovate in reef-keeping technology. Yes, they do. Did you know that some of the best-known reefing products in the world come from Italy? Companies like Sici, UltraReef, Hydor, GNC, LGM Aquaria, and other Italian manufacturers are pioneer in the modern reef-keeping landscape. Their LED aquarium lighting, advanced filtration system, and ultra-precise pumps are used by hobbyists worldwide, including those that are showcased at major events like MACNA, Reefapalooza, and Restock. Number 3, visiting incredible Italian reef aquariums. During my trip to Italy, I had the privilege of visiting some spectacular reef aquariums, from compact nano tanks packed with colorful frags to large custom-built display tanks housing rare Acropora colonies. Italy's reefers know how to create a stunning, thriving ecosystem. And number 4, Aquaria Italia in April, Italy's premier saltwater aquarium conference, the first of its kind in Italy. If you love events like Reefapalooza, MACNA, and Coral Freaks, then you need to check out Aquaria Italia. This conference brings together Italy's top reefers, saltwater aquarium vendors, like-minded individuals, and coral enthusiasts in one massive event. Here you'll find the latest reef tank technology, rare coral frags, and discussions on the future of our reefing community. It's the ultimate event for any serious aquarium hobbyist. This event will take place at the end of April. Check it out. It's online. As I wandered through the enchanting landscape of Italy, I was immersed by the vibrant colors of the sun-kissed Mediterranean. The azure waters sparkled under the golden sunlight. I felt an irresistible urge to share this breathtaking views with our community, knowing that such beauty deserves to be celebrated and cherished. And now let's take a deep dive into what might be the best 10-foot reef aquarium in the world. This stunning display was designed and built by Alex Sestini, owner of Seabox, an Italian reef shop known for pushing the boundaries of reef aquascaping and marine ecosystem design. Some key features of the Seabox 10-foot reef tank. It's a 10-foot tank, better known as 3 meters long. Take a look at the incredible SPS coral growth, featuring some spectacular Acropora colonies. Their choice of lighting, 4 banks of T5 light systems from ATI for optimal coral health, state-of-the-art filtration and nutrient export system, custom reef aquascape with stunning rock seascape. A perfect balance of flow dynamics to mimic natural reef environments. The tank is not just an aquarium, it's a work of art. The placement of corals, the choice of fish, the precision of lighting and filtration make this one of the most impressive reef tanks I've ever seen. So, what can we take away from the Italian reefing community? Here are 3 lessons every reef hobbyist can apply to their own tanks. For one, Italians are known for their meticulous approach to reefing, whether it's frag placement, coral coloration, or water chemistry. Every detail is fine-tuned to perfection. Number 2, by using high-end lighting, dosing pumps, and filtration systems, Italian reefers achieve stability and long-term success in their tanks. Number 3, Italy's reefers constantly share their experiences. They don't keep it to themselves, host events, and collaborate on projects. This exchange of knowledge helps elevate the entire hobby. This incredible 10-foot reef aquarium is a true testament to the passion and expertise of Italian reef hobbyists. Their dedication to the hobby, their innovative reefing techniques, and their ability to create stunning aquascapes make them some of the best in the world. If you love reef aquariums, coral systems, and advanced reef keeping techniques, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to VargasReef, turn on your notification for more exclusive reef tank showcases. And let me know in the comments, what's your dream tank setup? Would you like to own a 10-foot masterpiece like this one? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next VargasReef episode. So until next time, you have to love reefing.